Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle. First and foremost, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you who has supported us, whether it's by sharing our content, leaving comments, reposting, or, most importantly, subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Be sure to follow us on all our other social media platforms at Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle.
What's up, good people? Hope you all doing well. Hope you all amazing. For me, I'm okay. Thank you for tuning into this channel. To those who are tuning here for the first time, kindly make this home. And how you do make this home? You make this home by subscribing onto this channel. You click on the notification bell so that every other time I'm uploading a new video, you are notified of the same. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always choosing to tune into this channel. I don't take it for granted. And so guys, we are on road to 10,000 subscribers, and by the time we are getting to December 2024, yes, we can do this. So thank you for the 3K subscribers, 3K plus subscribers. I'm looking forward to 10K, and yes, we can do this. How can we do this? Hata kama usha subscribe, tell a friend, tell a relative, tell a colleague about Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle. Now what's the disappoint? So to my returning subscribers, they already know. When you see me roaming around this spot, it is just speaking for itself. Definitely it means a recipe is about to pop and that a recipe is about to go down. So on to today's video. Today we are preparing vegetable rice. So our ingredients are here. So on to the first step. It is just the basic way of boiling rice. I've measured 2 cups of this rice. So anything you use, you double the water. So for my case, I'm going to use 4 cups of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the water is ready. You just add your salt. Make things salty to your preference. Cooking on. Then we add our unwashed rice. So that is just the basic way of boiling rice. Then onto another cooking pot. I want to pre-cook these carrots. I've cut them into, I've tried to come up with cubes. So I'm going to preheat this for about 5 to 8 minutes. I'll just add a teaspoonful of cooking oil, a pinch of salt, and some little water. It's just pre-cooking. So our 8 minutes are over. So that they do not cook For them not to overcook, nimeziweka kwa strainer zitoe hiyo maji moto, and then I'm going to put them in cold water zipoe kabisa. You want to maintain the green color as well as the nutrients. If you overcook them, nutrients zinapotea. So at this point, we transfer it to lower heat. So once basic skills of making rice. Once maji inaisha hivi, inakaa hivi, unaiweka kwa moto kidogo, ama if you use the same heat unapunguza. So for our case, we are transferring to the smaller burner. At this point, we now want to make the vegetable rice. We were just boiling basic way of boiling rice. So our rice is here. As I can see, it is ready. You can serve it at this point. But we need a complete meal, a balanced diet. For this reason, I'm going to add some vegetables. So my vegetables are here prepared. These are just all kinds of capsicum, red, yellow and green. These are our preheat carrots and peas. We need light soy sauce and onions and cooking oil. So onto a separate cooking pot, we add cooking oil, onion, we are going to cook them to golden brown. So our onions are almost ready. Our rice, we now switch off our heat. You see, basic ways of boiling rice. Just look at this. The rice is cooked, but ni moja moja. It was just that basic what I've done from the beginning. Usipeleke kwa meza mchele inakaa ugali na ni mchele. Okay? I don't know how I can be able to show it properly. This is cooked rice, but you can be able to count how many grains of rice are. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is cooked rice, but you can practically count each grain one by one. So that is it. Our onions are ready. We can add our vegetables. And we want our vegetables to remain crunchy. So we are just going to give this a stir for about 2 minutes. We want them to remain crunchy. We need the nutrients. We don't want them to overcook. Then we just add a pinch of salt in the veggies. But that one is optional. To me, they already look yummy. I don't know to the viewers. Then I'm going to add a bit of this. My veggies are ready. I'm going to add my white rice bit by bit. At this point, I've even switched off the heat. If I continue cooking, it might spoil my things. These are my things. You just be gentle, but kama ulipima maji yako vizuri, nothing to worry about. Naona I'm still stirring, but my rice bado ni 1-1. So you can leave it at this point, or just for presentation purposes. This is soy sauce. The dark one gives best results. This is the light one. So maybe you are going to serve this, you just that's why I told you the dark one gives better results. Just for presentation, nothing much. If you prefer it darker, you can do more of soy sauce. Guys, so that is it about making simple vegetable rice. As you've all seen, it's something very simple and quick to do. I've done this in less than 30 minutes. So you can also try out ungarie watu. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I don't take it for granted. Bye guys. See you on the next one.